Welcome to SIMBA'S Foods, where delicious meals are prepared with no oils, no fats, no greases, no salts, no sugars, no boiling, no steaming, without using any macros. Guys, I'm going to share with you today how you can do away from dairy products, especially milk. And I do touch about the health problems which are linked with dairy. I do talk a lot about this in our introduction session. So do sign up for our introduction session on SIMBA'Sfoods.com. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how you can make your own almond milk at the comfort of your home. So what you need here is you need the almonds, okay, and you need dates, okay, and you need also a bottle of water. Okay, so I'm going to blend all these three together. So I'm going to use the measurement that I've used with my bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the water in the blender as I'm blending it. To add my dates, I have to empty the blender. Okay, so I pour almost everything and leave a little bit of the almond milk. See, it's nice and creamy. Oh, I know I've tasted this before. I know it tastes amazing. Okay, so you see how nice and creamy it is, nice and white. I'll add them one by one from the top. There we go, guys. Now we have our own almond milk. SIMBA'S Foods is too easy not to try. So if you want to try this, why don't you sign up for an introduction session on SIMBA'Sfoods.com, where we'll share with you how you can enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Your health is your wealth. Enjoy it.